I'm Rufino Valentine. I'm president and founder of Valentine Distilling Company. When we started, there were maybe a dozen micro distilleries in the country. Now there's close to 400. So we really were one of the pioneers in this micro distilling revolution that's going on right now. Much like what the microbrewers went through probably 20 or 30 years ago. But when you're the first at doing something like that, you're always running into, unforeseen things. I mean, when we first started, you're talking to building inspectors and fire marshals that have never seen anything like this. So you really start from scratch. And then it goes all the way down to the sales. I mean, I'm going out myself selling this product at the beginning where, and talking to guys who are used to only dealing with Grey Goose, or Bacardi, liquor reps, and then they see a guy who's making it in their own backyard and, they really don't know what to think. We've always had an appreciation for handmade things or homemade things. So I'm the type of guy, ever since I was a kid, I'd rather buy a pie or jam at a farm stand rather than a big supermarket. Me personally, I think a lot of people are tired of, I call it the Walmartization of pretty much everything. And the liquor industry is no different. Giant companies, just beholden to Wall Street, earnings estimates. And really, we just get into this situation where we're looking for the fastest and the cheapest way to produce these things in order to maximize profits. And lost in all this is the quality of goods and the handmade, aspect of different things. Whether it is a pie from a farm stand, or whether it's furniture from IKEA or whatever, we don't have that handmade, quality aspect anymore. We're losing that quickly, I think. If we're going to be a catalyst to bring manufacturing back to this country, we need a product that competes on not only a state or a national level, but we need a product that competes on an international level. That's why, at Valentine Distilling, all the products we make, the vodka, the gin, the whiskey, we are maniacally obsessive on quality. This is the distilling area, and this is a copper pot still or a batch still. Again, this is a type of distillation that's been around for centuries. This one was actually custom built for us in Germany, and right now you can see we're actually running a batch of our Liberator gin. So the gin, we actually start with our vodka, and then we'll macerate for 24 to 48 hours about 10 different botanicals that we hand select. They come from all over the world. But we'll macerate them and then we distill it. And really what we're doing is boiling it, converting everything to a vapor, and getting as many of these flavors as we can to pass through and eventually impart itself in the final product.